Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to edit a POV style TikToks in CapCut. Let's get started. First launch CapCut and then here tap a new project and import your video. And here tap text and click add text to write something like POV, and you can use bold centered fonts that are easy to read. And style the text. Adjust the font style, size, and position. You can add subtle animations like fading or typewriter for dramatic effects. You can also apply a cinematic or dreamy filter if you want, and use a light licks, blur, or slow motion to match the emotional vibe. And here you can also add music or sound. Just go to audio and click sounds and choose a trending TikTok audio. Sync text or transition with beats for extra impact. And use the final adjustment and export. Tap export and upload directly to TikTok. And that's it. Export and post your POV TikTok to grab attention. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.